In this video, we're going to learn how to install the Docker Desktop application. First, open your browser and search for Docker Desktop. Open the official link from the Docker documentation. Scroll down a bit, and you will see the option to install Docker Desktop. Select the operating system on which you want to install Docker Desktop. Click on Download, and your download will start. The setup file is approximately 565 megabytes. While it is installing, let's take a moment to understand what Docker is. What is Docker? Why Docker was created? How it helps developers? Imagine you have a toy car that only works when you have a certain type of battery, specific tires, and a special track. If you give this toy to your friend, it might not work at their home because they don't have the same setup. Docker is like a magic box where you can pack the toy car along with its battery, tires, and track. Now, no matter where you send this box, it works exactly the same. Why was Docker created? Before Docker, developers said, "It works on my machine," but when code was moved to another computer server, it often broke because of missing software, different versions, etc. Docker was created to package the app with everything it needs to run and make sure it works the same everywhere. How it helps developers. Docker makes development easier by ensuring consistency, so apps run the same on every machine. It allows faster setup because all dependencies come packaged inside the container. Each app runs in its own isolated environment, avoiding conflicts with other apps. Finally, Docker makes apps easy to share as a single image that anyone can run anywhere. Now let's get back to the installation process. Open the Docker Desktop setup file. If you want a desktop shortcut, then tick this box, else click on Next. It'll take a minute or two for unpacking all the required stuff. Once that is done, open the Docker Desktop application. You can skip the sign-in process. In this way, you can install Docker Desktop application easily.